You're listening to Independent TV 7. Kindly click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Independent TV 7. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notification. Thanks for watching. The Nigerian court has adjourned case moving in motion, suit seeking BUHARi'S removal as president till 2022. Basically, I would say Buhari might not be impeached, or rather, who are the called Fulani, that would want Buhari to be out, especially those that are eating from the table. Court adjourns suit seeking BUHARi'S removal as president till 2022. President Muhammadu Buhari is under pressure to sign the amendment bill. He has declined assent on 4 previous occasions. A suit seeking the removal of President Muhammadu Buhari from office has been adjourned till 2022 by Abuja Federal High Court. The suit was filed by the presidential candidate of Hope Democratic Party, Ambrose Owuru, in June 2021. In the suit, Owuru prayed the court to declare the presidential seat vacant because Buhari did not win the 2019 presidential election. The constitutional lawyer told the court to declare that Buhari was illegal occupying the presidential seat and declare him the authentic winner of the election. The plaintiff argued that his earlier dismissed suit against Buhari at the Supreme Court was inconclusive due to error on the adjourned date. As it is, Buhari did not win that election, either false or true. Basically, it's over 3 years, for 2-3 years now. Down the line, Buhari is still the president. His submission does not really know what he's seeking a declaration that he is entitled to serve out 4 years after his formal inauguration. He also asked the court to order Buhari to refund all salaries, allowances, and emoluments he had collected for the period he had unlawfully occupied the office as president. Well, though Nigerians may not really like Buhari, I may not like Buhari, you may not like Buhari because of his historical background, or rather I'll say his antecedent. But as it is, when the court has declared him a winner, and INEC has also declared Buhari winner in 2019 election, and you are telling us for him to refund the salaries and also withhold or withdraw his position. I don't think that submission holds water or is substantial, because as it is, because they will tell you Buhari is a democratically elected president, or a president that has occupied the office for a while now, and you are telling us he should be removed. Or rather should be impeached, though the cause of why you are telling us or telling Buhari to be removed is not genuine enough, and until court proves or gives credit or verdict rather. So what I would even portray on this point is that court that ordinarily does not even have the power or the prowess to judge case. In the case of Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, we know all the sentiments. In the case of Malami also, we know all the sentiments and every other thing that is playing in the playing field of the judiciary. So you are telling us the number 1 citizens of a country to be removed. So your basis does not hold water, and it's not acceptable as it is. Basically, I would say he has also seek a declaration that he's entitled to serve out for 4 years after his formal inauguration. According to the plaintiff, says he also asked the court to order Buhari to refund all salaries, allowances, and emoluments he had collected for the period he had unlawfully occupied the office as president. He prayed for an order of perpetual injunction restraining Buhari, the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF), and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from further organizing and conducting any presidential election in 2023, so as to enable him to complete his 4-year term when inaugurated. But basically, I would say, as it is, 2023 is fast approaching. That is why the Fulani entity are trying all their possible best to make sure that they cover up every sensitive position and every parastatus, especially the INEC, because everybody knew quite right that Buhari did not win the election in 2015. Yes, it was good luck, but just because of free and fair, which good luck has promised Nigerians that the election will go, and that was why Buhari was able to even win. Even the margin was not even much; it was 14 million, 12 million thereabouts. So in this issue of Buhari should be removed, I don't think just like that. There are procedures for president or elected or democratically elected president to be removed either by impeachment or resignation. Yes, he would rather be impeached or resign by himself. So as far as you have prayed for an order of perpetual injunction restraining Buhari, the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from further organizing and conducting any presidential election in 2023, so as to enable him to complete his 4-year term when inaugurated. While ruling on the suit, the court's presiding judge Inyang Eko ordered that parties in the suit be issued with new hearing notice. He also adjourned the case to February 8th, 2022 for a hearing. They are still adjourning for a hearing and not for the final judgment or thereabouts. The Supreme Court had struck out Owuru's suit against Buhari's election in October 2019 for lacking in merit and abuse of court processes. Yes, it lacks merit, and that's why they will keep adjourning till Buhari's tenure, elapses as it is. So you don't, just come and give us what your opinion is all about and just want to impose it on us. Definitely, you could go to court either to appeal or to complain, but notwithstanding as it is, Buhari is still the president. Like I said earlier, I may not really like Buhari. I may not like his antecedents, but as it is, the truth must be told. Even if Buhari has occupied that seat illegally, there are procedures, and I would say in this present dispensation of Buhari administration, the APC, I don't think those are involved would rather sleep. I would say if you had also mentioned Malami is even included, though he was appointed by this Buhari. I would say Malami himself is the Attorney General of the Federation, so they would know how to manipulate it. Buhari also said during 2015 that if he does not win that election, that 2015 election, the blood will flow, and good luck at such, but he didn't do anything. He still has the power because he has the power of incumbency. He could nullify Buhari or ask INEC to nullify Buhari's bid. So in the case of Malami, I would say they are the kinsmen. They are the ones supporting Buhari. So if eventually go no go, they look front no go, back no go, I know definitely they want to scatter everything. So that was why I said in 2015, Buhari said that he will make a Goodluck Jonathan administration ungovernable for him. So as it is, he won the election. Buhari won the election, and we all know, or rather maybe because we were tired of PDP and everybody needed change. But as the saying would say, they'll say the devil is better than angels. You've not seen, or better say, it's so good that Buhari is the president, and everybody has now known from their left from their right, because when we neglected Goodluck, we approached Buhari and also embraced him, and we allowed him rule us. Now how did we get here? How we can be? You're listening to Independence TV 7. Don't forget to share this news, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that others can be aware and get more notification. Thanks for listening, and God bless you.